Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change subtitle appearance on Netflix on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, here I will show you the appearance of subtitle on my Netflix. Okay, and then to change it, you can press My Netflix at the bottom. And then you can click on your profile. Okay, and then select Manage Profiles. And then click on your profile once again. Okay, and then here please select this option. And then you can edit the appearance of your subtitles, start from text size, color, and the others in here. Okay, after finishing, let's check it. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change subtitle appearance on Netflix on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.